try turning it off and on again. Hello rebooters, the bench is clear. Running out of stuff. Hit a bit of a dry patch recently. Now we've had a bit of a clear out, so the universal powers of abundance look upon us in good favour. So we've cleared out the bottom shelf there, look, and we've still got a whole load of stuff everywhere, but we've got no kit to work on. We've got all those empty mini ITX boxes there, and another cage of monitors. So at 2:15 today, and this is Thursday, what is it? Thursday the 20th of September, and I'm off to do a collection. So me and Bernie are going to drive over there and fill 2 cars up, and from a local building company who have been really fantastic to us over the last year or so. A really good, generous donor, and that's been keeping our project running. So we're extremely grateful. So hopefully we'll see you on the road shortly. I'm not sure I can show you which particular building company it is, but they're in Swindon and they're pretty big. So we've still got a few boxes to sell, a few PCs on our display. Windows 10, got a few of those still. Now we're running out of laptops, so over here is our laptop display, and I've only got 2 laptops left, 2 of the last Clevos I've got here. So other than that, we are totally out of laptops. So hopefully when we go this afternoon with Bernie, we should get some laptops. Now I'm back on my phone now because I repaired it. As you know, I broke my phone faffing around with a big monitor that I still haven't got fixed. Need to get that to my bruv. But I fixed my Sony Xperia X with a £30 replacement screen from eBay, and came with a little spudger and a tiny little screwdriver kit, and it worked. And I watched a YouTube video and I made it too complicated for myself. So in a nutshell, I could have done the whole thing in about half an hour, but it took me 3 hours to repair my phone screen. But it's all working. Just when I make a phone call, the screen goes black and I have to push in the top of the thing because the LCD screen hasn't quite fitted correctly. Anyway, it's working all right for the vid here. Time to go. We're back.
You mean we? You got me out. You called me out on my day off.
We've got a load of stuff. Look at this lot. Look at that lot. Printers, monitors, and a trolley full of PCs. Oh, hang on, what am I doing here? Let's turn this around the right way. Yeah, we've got some HP towers, 7 of those. Some laptops somewhere in there. Yeah. 3 laptops, 4 laptops, Bernie, something like that.
4 laptops.
Yeah. Right. So inside of 1 hour, we've got plenty of work to be getting on with now. So I'm not sure when this video is going to end. This might just be a quick catch up. So that's a quick catch up. The powers of abundance have been active. Inside of an hour, we got some stuff to do. Brilliant. Quick video. See you next time. Cheerio! Try turning it off and on again.